how to force restart a Lenovo PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix several issues on your Lenovo PC or laptop, such as it being frozen or not responding to mouse movements or touches on your keyboard with a force restart. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to do a force restart, and this will not affect the files that are on your computer. All we need to do is first locate the power button. And on my Lenovo laptop, it's right here in the center. It might be in a different position on the right or left, or even on the keyboard on your Lenovo laptop. If it's on a PC, it'll probably be on the front of it. But all we need to do is find that power button and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. You should see the display turn off, maybe backlight on your keyboard turn off, or even hear the fans turn off. Once that happens, hold it down for another 5 seconds, and then you can let go after that, and then just hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds. You should see it start to come back on, and we have now force rebooted the laptop. So now it'll start booting back up, and now it should no longer be frozen. You can log back into it and start using it after your force restart. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.